someone that wants to yield the floor. Let's say we had this one guy that wanted just every week he was there, and people would say, well, I'm going to give him my 5 minutes. I want to give my 5 minutes, and they yield the floor to him.
And they could give us.
You're the president. You're the president. You make the decision.
Okay.
That's right. You can take that.
Well, see that.
It's
now
tough.
here again, we have a gentleman over here. Here's an example, and I don't want to use him. He wanted to debate each of the line items, or all of the items that would come up before.
Well, have public comment, not debate.
Public comment on
Public comment.
Yeah,
Issues
public
that are
comment.
concerns to the
Yeah, I
community.
heard that.
But sometimes it could be. It turns out to be a debate. Now we, as even though we're public officials, we also don't want to have a meeting that goes till 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. But is it appropriate to, since we have the agenda out with plenty of time, 48 hours or more, that maybe if somebody's interested, like you said, either talk to the superintendent, see what he's trying to achieve, because usually most items are, are recommended by a superintendent. And try to learn more about it, or like you said, talk to your board member, or maybe a board member that would be willing to talk to you about this issue. But at the end of the day, I don't think that you want to allow to go as the item comes up for an up or down decision, that we have again, 3 or 4 people, or maybe trying to delay you, even be that it said 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and all of a sudden it's going to be a circus. You understand? We don't want to have
I've
a
seen the
circus.
circus. I've been there and been bit by the alliance too, a couple of times.
So you think we're in the right track as we?
Well, you're never correct.
Yeah, but
Whenever, as a public group, you're never correct by not taking input from the community. But you also have an obligation to efficiently do the business of your community. And they pay you to know these things. They pay you to get involved with them. And the public's right is only the right to be present and to hear your deliberations. That's their only right. Anything else you give them. In other words, public participation is a gift.
So in other words, 2 minutes, 3 minutes,
5
whatever it
minutes.
may be.
At the beginning.
Yeah.
And then
They've got to learn to be succinct for you, because that's, even though you may not be succinct in your discussions, they've got to be succinct in their discussion in order to.
And one thing I've always advised the board members is public participation isn't a communication between us and them.
That's correct.
We just listen, and I always direct the staff, take a note, get back to them, but I always inform the public. But we can't answer you back. And I know sometimes
you know why you can't answer them back?
Because
you can, but you shouldn't. That's one. But the reason is because it's not on the agenda.
That's right.
If it's on the agenda, then you're going to discuss it as a board. That's your discussion,
but
not with the public. Your discussion is with your fellow board members, because there are 5 votes.
But remember that there's items that are consent and there's items for discussion. So under consent, the superintendent gives us supporting documentation.
We should give you supporting documentation for everything.
Yeah, he does, but sometimes if we have the supporting documentation, and I personally understand that I might not want to, I might be okay to move the meeting along by consenting.
Sure.
You understand? So is that with
Yes, that's the reason you were elected. You are the representative of those people. Okay? You're the representative person. That's, you'd love to say we have a democracy, but we don't. This is a republic. And in a republic, you are in a representative form of government, and you have no rights individually. Your rights are as a group with a representative. And once you've elected him, you've lost your rights. I think of that every year when I vote for the president.
yeah.
Well, that's important too, because it's about building relationships with, I am their employee. So with the superintendents, if the public has an issue, we post them. I mean, they can call any one of us. If I don't have the answer, I've got my directors, I've got my principals, I've got my staff, for example, probably get,
But you
more
still don't know what
concise
the board's
answers.
gonna decide. No, that's why,
God help you.
that's,
If he knew that, that would be a lot easier.
Yeah, right.
No.
no, but the thing is that, yeah, I think that he can have a general idea of what it might be there, but the board is representing their,
The people.
the people.
And makes the decision.
Yeah, exactly.
Keep in mind that within policy, you can state if it hasn't changed unless, which I don't remember it changing, you can request 24 hours before the meeting that they request to go before us. You as the chairman or Dr. T can screen the applicants and make sure that there's not rendition of the same items that public participation that the public would like to discuss.
But what we've been doing, Mr.
And not allow them to go right before the meeting,
Chavez, is
because
that
that's where they have the
we
advantage.
have an open paper over there where anybody coming in can.
Yeah, I don't know what your policy says, but you may have a statement of 24 hours in it.
I want to say.
But I don't recall that being a part of what I usually recommend. But even if it's not, you should have somebody aggregating those requests
They have the
and
right
putting them
to
together,
fill out a paper
and then noting that you've got so many different things to discuss and how many people, and you can divide the time up any way you want.
So I think that's where you come into play, and if it's with one group, then that's where we inform, say, hey, look, if you guys all are talking this same subject, we'll give you 5 minutes to one person, instead of letting all of them come at us like that last time.
Or
It was-
two people.
But that's a decision that you would make as a board president.